You are going to love the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, power liftgate, engine immobilizer, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, rain sensing wipers, remote trunk release. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.